So if you know you're doing these 5 things I'm about to mention, just know that there is no success for you. Like literally, you're not going to make it in life. You're at the other side of life, which is failure and not success. These 5 things I'm mentioning, and the last one is very important, so you need to stick to the end of this video. The first one is waiting for the best time. You see, as at 2022, when I went to do my lingerie business, then it's no longer in business. I was always waiting for the perfect time. See, I could literally have the money already, but I'm like, no, I don't have a social media account. I don't have a physical store. I don't have suppliers. I don't have who is going to bring it down from China for me. Guys, I was waiting for everything to be fixed before I start. And that is the many mistake people make. You're waiting for the perfect time. There's no perfect time. If people can really understand that there is no perfect time, you just have to start. And in the process of starting, you will figure many things out. You just have to start. It's in that starting you would make mistakes over and over and over again and correct yourself over and over again. You just have to start. Success actually favors action takers and not time wasters. Action taker, people that like to take action. That's why you see many a times, like you have an idea, but you don't execute. Why? You're waiting for the perfect time. Idea, stand up and go and do that thing you want to do. Now, the second thing is always blaming village people for every little thing that happened. Like you don't want to blame yourself. Like, okay, I'm the one that made this one happen like this. How can I correct myself? How can I change? How can I become better? But any small thing that happened, oh, they're calling me from my village. Oh, my village people are doing me. Oh, this, oh, that. Them, oh, why are you poor? My village people. Why did you fail your exam? My village people. Why are you sick? My village people. My dear, it is not village people. It is mental laziness. Either you take responsibility for every action you do, or you end up blaming people. Number 3, people that love to avoid things that are hard. How do you want to see results and you don't want to put in the work? Is it magic? Avoid the process to getting what you want. I want to follow through mago. My dear, when you do the corner finish, you will still come back and follow due process. Stop avoiding things that are hard. Rather, embrace it. Embrace it. I actually believe one philosophy that when things are hard, that is when I'm going to see results. As long as I'm doing what it takes. Get up and go and face that hard challenge. Growth and comfort don't live in the same house. You have to put in the work. You see this work, I've been shouting things. You have to. Number 4, people that like to impress. See, this category of people, you go around borrowing stuffs like phones, record, pose, hair, clothes, just to impress people that don't give 2 fucks about you. They literally don't care. They don't even send you like that, bro. These people don't really send you like that. Instead of it to find the way, the direction of your life will change. What you just think about is, oh, how do I want to impress this person? How do I want to make this person feel like, yes, I'm among? How do I want to make this person feel like, you cannot look down on me? Like, are you guys okay? You're not even trying to impress for impact. You're there chasing clouds. My dears, you're going to jam frustration. Now, the last one, people that like to roll with small-minded people. People that roll with small-minded people, like, out of all your friends, none of them have a vision, none of them have a goal. Following that cycle of friends you are following, you cannot be bigger than that. Because it's literally like, these are the people you spend your day-to-day life with. These are the people you have around you. These are the people you have around you. So how do you want to go be? It's just more like having a group of friends where I have a vision to create an impact, you have a vision. My dear, we will pushing each other, we're motivating each other. But no, all your friends, all they can think about is, only God knows. Roll with people that their mindset is open-minded people. Stop rolling with small-minded people that don't even believe that good things can happen when you put in work. The kind of people you associate yourself, that's held for good or bad in the next 5 to 10 years. People don't really understand that success is not luck. Success is the system. You have to be ready for it. And that is why many times I tell people that preparedness meets luck. Even if you want to be lucky in this life, you have to be prepared for what is going to come. If you're doing these 5 things, just know that, I'm sorry.